Hello, welcome to African World Traveler. Tuesday, and it's about 10 a.m. It's raining, chucking down of rain. It's raining. We buy the cabin, so we're gonna travel to Fleetwood. So follow us to the journey to Fleetwood. It's not a lovely weather, it is raining. As you can see by the beach, by the sea, it's cloudy. Yeah, it's a bit cloudy. So we're waiting for the tram. The tram is right behind us. So it's just arriving. So we're waiting for the tram to head to Fleetwood. So follow us. We're going to get to the fish market in Fleetwood and see what's good. Let's flip the camera over. That's the tram there. So we're gonna board into the tram. I'm not sure how much is it though. Like, what is it? £6.60 a day from a day travel. Okay, let's see what's going on. Hop in. Okay guys, we just boarded in, so we're going to Fleetwood in the tram. Let's see how much it's gonna cost us to get to Fleetwood and back. Stay tuned, so we're gonna show you how we're gonna join us in the journey to Fleetwood. So let's go. So we're waiting for the conductor, the ticket seller, so that we can get our ticket, and then we get to Fleetwood. So let's see. Hold on guys. So guys, it's gonna cost us £6.60 to head to Fleetwood and back. So let's get it scanned. So let's get our day ticket. That's it, with buses and everything. Wow, £6.60 whole day. Not bad. You can hop in as much as you want. Traveling all day for that. At all, £6.60. So I'll be going to Fleetwood and back. So single will be £3.50, about £7. So basically £6.60 will be cheaper to get for the day, rather than getting single, so you can travel as much as you want the whole day. So here we are. If you don't know, so the whole day £6.60, single £3.50. So let's go to Fleetwood. So stay tuned, more to come. Guys, it's really miserable out there. Very, very miserable. It's a miserable weather today, so it's a Cavendish Road.
Hold tight, please.
Cavendish Road, stop.
Press the
Now
stop
stop.
button when you wish to exit the tram.
Follow the journey to Fleetwood. We're going to the Fleetwood Docks. So I'll see if I can get a better seat, and we can get a better capture as well. The journey to Fleetwood. Let's see how long it's going to take us to Fleetwood. Basement. Guys, thank you for watching, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Subscribe, like and share. Support the channel for more contents. Hold tight please. Yeah, we're holding tight.
Press the stop button when you wish to exit the tram.
Yeah, we'll do so. That's basement. So guys, to remind you again, it's just going to cost you £6.60 for the whole day, or £3.50 for single. Not bad, eh? It's low tide, but still not the best weather. It's a brawly day. umbrellas and hoodies, jacket, raincoats.
Santos Avenue.
Santos Avenue. Does it not stop when nobody press the button? So it doesn't stop, it just carries on then.
Fleetwood Ferry. Next stop.
If there's no passengers and there's no one press the button, you're gonna go to the next stop. So be very careful, don't miss your stop. Make sure you press as the tram is reaching to your stop. Make sure you press the button, otherwise they won't stop. They're just gonna carry on. Just gonna carry on with the journey. So you don't wanna miss your stop. It's a bit of a distance to another stop.
Norbreck.
Norbreck. Norbreck Castle. Norbreck stop. As you can see, there's a Norbreck Castle there. Norbreck Castle.
When you wish to exit the tram.
I just stood up to show you the castle, the Norbreck Castle. It's a hotel.
This tram is for Fleetwood Ferry. Next stop. Norbreck.
It's a Norbreck Castle. So let's head back. So I'm gonna get back and take a seat. So stay tuned. And guys, African World Traveller here.
Norbreck North.
Norbreck North. That's another stop. Some other stops, it's not much of a distance, but some other stops are a bit of a distance to work. So guys, if you haven't subscribed yet, please hit the subscribe button. Put your notification button on.
Hold tight, please.
And like and support the channel so to continue bringing you more videos. So stay tuned. Let's go to Fleetwood Docks. Guys, we're in Cleveley's now. That's Cleveley's. 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 It's actually busy in the tram, you know. It's busy for the day. It's Cleveley's. It's literally not far with the tram, you know. It's really not far at all. That's Cleveley's. So you see, it's a brolly there. So you go get your umbrella, get your raincoat or hoodie, whatever. It's a nice, cute dog out there. Oh, the dog pays as well. So the dog gotta pay as well. Ooh. It's a brolly day. Umbrella. You're gonna get your brolly or your raincoat, otherwise you're gonna get wet. If you don't want to get wet, you need to get your umbrella.
Hold tight, please.
Hold tight, please. This tram is moving.
Press the stop button when you wish to exit the tram.
Press that button if you wish to exit the tram. Is it Mr. Tram? Oh dear, just missed it. Ooh, sorry. Just missed the tram. Just like a second, a split of a second. Fleetwood Ferry. What's the next stop? Stop West Drive.
This tram is for Fleetwood Ferry. Next stop, Fulton Gate.
Next stop is Roadside Beach. massive houses in here, very big houses in Clearways.
Muscle Beach.
Muscle Beach.
This tram is for Fleetwood Ferry. Next stop, Russell School.
Russell School.
Tram is for Fleetwood Ferry. Next stop, Russell Square. Little Road. Hold tight, please.
So we are here, Fisherman Walk. So I need to find my way to the dock side. Let's go and have a look on that map. Let's have a look on this map. Explore Fleetwood. Okay, we're here. Memorial Park. That's it there, the mount. Boating Lake. Okay, Boating Lake, Memorial Park, the mount, Marine Hall, Lower Lighthouse, view across the bay. Okay, the North Houston Hotel. Wow, North End Ferry, Fleetwood Museum. Okay, Fleetwood Market, Farmers, is it Farmer Bars, Heritage Museum, Freeport Marina. So everything is here. The Russell Point, Boating Lake.
Yeah, it's there.
Alright, we need to have a look at this. So guys, we are in Fleetwood. Welcome to Fleetwood in the rain. So let's be a tourist. We're gonna explore the place like a tourist. Look at us, look at us. Look at me, look at me. Look at us. It's raining, man. It's pissing that rain, man. Look at that there. Let's see, let's have a look. So we're exploring the place. What is that? In Cherry's memory of Francis Mary Lovehouse. Well, it's all the engraving, all the writing is faded. It's fading away. What's going on with the Fleetwood Borough? Come on, get that redone, man. so that people can read it, so that it be clear for people to read. You can't read it. Let's have a look. We're gonna be crossing in Fleetwood, guys, and it's raining. It's pissing out of rain. Rain. It's a rainy day. Hallelujah, it's a rainy day. So guys, don't mind my voice. Terrible voice. So we're going this way, guys. Sorry guys if I walk too fast. Don't get mad of me. So because of his chucking it down, man, we got a bit of work. I think we got like 5-6 minute work. What is this? Is that the post office? Okay. Post office. So guys, what's that says there? Quality cars. Okay, no, we're not looking to buy cars. We can't afford a car yet. We can afford a car. That's Asda. It's an Asda. Is that the exit or entrance? The back entrance of Asda in Fleetwood. Guys, it's really not the best weather, guys. I hope you guys gonna support the channel, subscribe, like, and put your notification on. Look, I'm out in the rain, guys. I'm out in the rain to create some content, guys. Right, look at that. Out in the rain to create some content. It's peaceful though. I love the rain. Not that I hate the rain. I love the rain. It's good to cool it down a bit sometimes. It's good to cool off. So let's go, guys. Let's flip the camera over. What was that? That was a bingo. But it doesn't seem like it's operating anymore. Okay, that is Ferries Seafront Preston. Okay. I think, is this it? This is it. So I think we got to turn left according to the direction I got from that lady guy. What was that? Okay, the lost trolley main memory. Wow, where they lost? The lost trolley main memory. Wow, that is the memorial place for the lost trolley main. Wow, it's very risky, guys. For the fishermen, guys, always pray for the fishermen. As you eat the fish, if you're a fish lover, always pray for the fishermen, people that landed the fish for you to put it on the table. Always pray for them, because it can be really rough. People can lose their life on the sea. Look at that. In memory of skipper Wilfred Elliott and the crew of St. Goch, which are always in our thoughts and never to be forgotten. Wilfred Elliott Jr. Wow. So guys, camera over. Let's take a bit of picture there. Never forget the heroes. They are heroes, man. These are heroes, bringing food on our table, risking their life, you know, going just to make sure people get fish on the table to feed their family. Ferries, okay. Right. And that's Asda there, Asda. That's a fish shop there. We're gonna go and have a look at it. Let's go and check it out. Let's go and check it out. Let's wait for the lights to change. Okay, we can cross now. Let's go. We're in the safe side to cross. We're in the safe side to cross. We're safe to cross the road. That end, not this end. So we gotta press again on hold and wait patiently. Or should we just go illegally? Yeah, we're gonna go illegally. No time to waste, guys. Okay, it's gone green anyway. Don't be writing in the comments saying that you should have waited. It's gone green anyway. It was a good timing. And that's Asda there. That's the big Asda in Fleetwood. Alright, let's go, let's go. Join us in this rainy day to explore Fleetwood. So it's 20 minutes, guys. I'm gonna stop this video here. Well, actually we're here now. Eat fish is good for you. Do I have to go? Where's the entrance? Mine maybe just finished work, but he can't wait to go home. You hear that? Eat fish is good for you. It's actually good for you. Fish is good for you. Rainy day. Let's go. Okay, it's called the shark chippy. No, we're not looking for chippy. We want some fresh fish, man. We want some fresh fish, fresh fish, not chippy. The dockside is where we are. The dockside fish market. Let's go in and see what kind of fish they got in there. Okay. So guys, I'm gonna end this video here. I'm gonna restart a new one once I get in because it's actually wet. It's raining. Okay, the dockside, fresh fish limited, frozen food as well. Yeah, okay then, let's end this video here. So we're gonna go in and see what kind of fish they got in for us.